And what's happened between you and Angel?
She doesn't hide her mouth. For me, I was still lying to Venita that I enter here and I call Kunle because I couldn't face her and I couldn't tell her the truth that I didn't give it. So I was saying, and I told Angel, say, don't tell her for me. She now told Venita that even me, I did not put Kunle. Venita now started giving me face, and even though I didn't give Kunle, I have never come here and saved Venita. In fact, I've been saving Venita and Angel. Instead, I put Neo because I couldn't put Venita. It's not like Neo was even, maybe I would say, a better friend to me. But now, yesterday, I mentioned her name and Angel's name, and that action, even though I don't really, I don't know, I don't think I regret it.
While Big Brother understands that you feel betrayed, can you see how your friends feel the same way?
Yes, Biggie. Only Venita.